Hello everyone, this is Frank again, and today we're gonna learn how to draw another anime character. Naruto has been a big deal for years and people never seem to get tired of it. So today we're gonna start with something that looks like a pocket, but with a flat bottom. And then we draw a rectangle on top of it. So I'm gonna draw a circle on top of his head, just to have a reference for his hair. And I just have to remind you guys to leave us a like if you enjoy our videos. That's very important for us and it helps us make better videos. So hit the like button, subscribe and activate the bell. So here I just elongate the line to mark the center of his face and the rest of the body. He's got a very thin neck. I just start making ovals around his neck because this is gonna be the ruff for his tracksuit. So his shoulders are gonna be here. Now I just have to find the place where his nose is going to be. And for his nose I'm just going to draw his nostrils and nothing else. Just like general human anatomy, I'm just going to mark the place where I'm going to start drawing the eyes. And in order to have some more symmetry, I decided to mark the place where I'm going to start drawing the eyes. Here I just draw a crooked smirk, and his eyes are gonna be a couple of circles. Now following the markings for the hair, I'm just going to draw the spikes. So we have this plate on his headband and we're gonna have 3 rivets on each side. Some more details for the ears, which don't have to be lifelike. Gotta work on the zipper for his tracksuit. And let's not forget his whiskers. Now let me get a permanent marker and cover the external lines. There you go, it's ready. Stick around a little longer and follow the suggestions YouTube is going to give you. You're sure to find something interesting on our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video up to this point. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.